Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be changing the valve cover and doing the valve adjustment. It's gonna be more work and less talk, so what I'm gonna do is take out the sparks, take out the spark plug leads, take out the spark plugs, take off this cover, take off the valve cover, adjust the valves, I'll replace the valve cover gasket and in general clean the engine. I've got a friend here to help me. He brought his torque wrench and I'm just gonna get to work. I'm gonna mask off and mark spark plugs because I can't trust myself to remember the timing. Look at these babies. I will have to replace this eventually. Amateur spark plug analysis, 1 and 2 are oily, so valve cover seals are probably bad, which is bad, and I should feel bad. Fuck. But full power on! So much oil. This is why our valve cover leaks. These seals go real bad and these go quite bad. And I can't even get it out. It's just rock solid probably. It's not quite rock solid yet, but it's not pliable. And it's not viable. Oh, these are much worse though. That's really bad. This is why cylinders 1 and 2 leak into the spark plug hole. So, next thing I'm doing, I'm gonna adjust the valves. I have this paper which supposedly covers this engine. I don't believe this. First you have to rotate the engine though, to the top mark. Right. Yeah. It helps to actually put it out of first. So, pro tip, put it in neutral. Two idiots fucking with cars. Yeah. We're gonna clean the engine, put it back together. Fuck!
How could this happen to me?
You have seen I broke a bolt. A stud. So I got a set of new B series studs, which are identical as per the schematics. The D16A9 or the ZC engine and the B series studs are the same. So I'm gonna pull out all the 6 studs. This one's the last one giving me trouble, and I'm gonna replace all of them with new ones. These ones stay in. They're just fine. So I'm gonna replace these, all of them. I'm gonna use some Loctite to get them in and just thread them in tight. I have some thread locker blue, Loctite blue, which comes in a red bottle, don't ask. It's an aluminum head, so don't tighten them too much if you don't have a torque wrench. I don't have a torque wrench, so I'm just gonna eyeball it. Just get them tight. The thread locker should do most of the work. Before I install the valve cover, I have to change the spark plug tube seals. These are the old ones, these are the new ones. Difference is, the old ones are hard as a rock. Listen to them. This is not the noise of rubber. This is the noise rubber makes. It doesn't make a noise. There we go, the valve cover is freshly gasketed. It can go back on. Now, so I don't break the bolt again, I'm not gonna use a torque wrench because I don't have one anymore. I borrowed the previous one, so I'm just gonna use my hand. There we go. Now I'm just gonna hand tighten the valve cover so I don't break off a bolt again. Hope there's no wall coming in from anywhere, because this thing should seal. Next thing are the spark plugs. So I got myself a set of NGKR something 11s. They're the same as our own had before. They come pre-gapped. You don't need to check the gap. These are kind of nasty. These are brand new and they have new wash and everything. I don't have a torque wrench to torque them down to spec. So what I've heard is it's not you pulling by hand until they contact the cylinder head, and then you do 2/3 of a turn. So I'm just gonna run them all down by hand. So I'm just hand tightening it until it stops. Stopped. Now do 2/3 of a turn. 1/3 of a turn. 2/3 of a turn. That's it. And the socket stayed in, of course it did. So I'm using my electrician's tape method of getting the spark plug socket out now, because that's how it's gonna be, I guess. The spark plug leads actually look pretty new, so I'm not gonna be replacing these. You might think it looks better without the timing cover, like this, and I agree, but I don't want these gears exposed to anything. So I'm just gonna put this nicely back in place. One more thing that was on here before I started this whole escapade was a grounding strap for the valve cover. It ran through these bolts down. I didn't like that, so we have a ground for the engine head here, and now we need the ground for the valve cover. You might think, why does the valve cover need ground? Because it's isolated from the engine and the injectors might short circuit. I'm gonna get these ready to ground better. I'll put them in. So that the part's nice and shiny. Remember, there's no such thing as too much grounding. The more ground connections, the better. Runs like new!